Happy Friday afternoon, everyone. 21 News Chief Meteorologist Eric Wilhelm here with a quick video update for you on what's going on now with a little preview of what's to come on Sunday. A lot to talk about today. Let's get right to it. It's a wet afternoon as promised. The rain is pushed into Columbiana, falling light to moderate in northern Columbiana County, and it's a murky afternoon in Boardman as well. Temperatures in the middle and upper 30s. When it's raining and in the mid-30s, that's a pretty chilly rain. You know, a lot of times when it's this cold, it might as well snow, is what I like to say, but it is just a chilly rain out there this afternoon. Here's a live scan of Storm Tracker 21 at 2:06 p.m. Most of the rain's pretty light. Where you see the yellow hues, it gets a little bit heavier, certainly. But for the most part, we're not going to see a lot of downpours out there today. Loop on the radar shows everything moving generally from southwest to northeast. The back edge of the steady rain approaching I-77, but there will be some residual light rain, drizzle, showers behind this main batch. The steady rain ends 5, 6, 6:30 on average from southwest to northeast. And then the evening just damp. Shower here and there. Maybe there's a touch of drizzle overnight. And we can stay kind of damp all the way into first thing tomorrow morning. And then I think the vast majority of tomorrow will be on the dry side. Temperatures right now in the middle and upper 30s. They'll keep rising later this evening. We'll reach our high late today. Probably in the lower 40s by evening. And temperatures will kind of hold steady then throughout the course of the night. Arctic attack getting set to really get underway here. As you notice as we go through time, notice the greens and grays coming out of Canada. Those are below zero temperatures, invading the northern plains, the upper Midwest. And while it may warm up in those places a little bit tomorrow, it'll still be awfully cold tomorrow, very cold tomorrow night, and this Arctic air continues to ooze east. Let me watch the movement of the Arctic air. It's especially noticeable in parts of the southeast as the cold colors overtake the warm air over the next couple of days. And this is going to set the stage for some wintry precipitation for us on Sunday. Now, again, we're wet through this evening. Saturday might start with a shower, but largely just a cloudy, uneventful day. We'll try to get up to 50 by the end of the afternoon. And then the rain returns then Saturday night. This can be a little bit heavier for a time. Here's 3 in the morning, Sunday morning, raining at a pretty good clip. But notice it's mild. It's in the mid-40s. And as you get up and around Sunday morning, if you're heading off to church services or anything else, you won't need the heavy winter jacket. You won't have to worry about snow, some rain, and mild temperatures. But things are going to change in a hurry as we get into the afternoon. Still some liquid precipitation at noon, 1 o'clock, but here comes the snow by mid-afternoon. This may be a pretty good thump of snow for a couple of hours late in the afternoon on Sunday, and especially as we head towards sunset and temperatures drop below freezing, things could get kind of slick Sunday evening across the valley. Notice by 4 or 5 o'clock, a lot of us are dropping down into the upper 20s. That's when any wet areas, slushy areas can freeze. It could turn pretty slick out there, I think, Sunday evening. Not concerned about any school adjustments for Monday. This is all a concern for Sunday evening. As far as snow accumulations, probably going to talk about some places maybe getting an inch or so. The NAM model prints out 2 inches. The GFS has about 1.5 inches. That might be a little too high, but I think an inch of snow is possible in some parts of the valley, especially north of 224, Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. Much more on weather for Weather Geeks this evening, much more on 21 News this evening at 6 and 11, so stay tuned for all those updates. Thanks for watching this quick, 3.5 minute sort of quick video. Have a great rest of the Friday, and I'll see you on TV this evening.